Say hi, Daddy. Hi. Oh, hi, Daddy.
Hey, baby. You got a baby girl. Oh.
Say I love you, Daddy. I'm gonna stop crying for you.
Oh. Oh. You're so cute. You're very beautiful. Yes, you are. Yeah? We had a daddy. We had a daddy. Oh, you're so beautiful. Hey, honey. She seems to be quiet whenever I say hey to you. Oh, you like that?
Oh, she found her hand. Is that hand taste good?
Is that your handy? Uh-oh.
Oh, 2 fingers.
Okay,
No,
it's
one
2
finger.
fingers. Oh, it's okay.
She's spitting out.
It's okay. Love you, baby Eliza. Say hey to Daddy.
Oh, she's gonna open her eyes for him.
Oh, this is so cute. You're beautiful.
Oh, she's making a pouty face.
Oh, this is too cute.
She's like, I'm glad you think it's cute.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's okay. You like me rocking you, right?
You like that when she was in your belly.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, I'm fixing to close, so you want to show them you love them on here.
We love you, baby.